Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money rolling in while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom, and in 2025, the opportunities are bigger and better than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 fast-growing passive income ideas that are realistic, actionable, and potentially life-changing. Stick around because the 10th idea might surprise you. 1. Selling digital products. Let's start with a powerhouse: selling digital products. What makes this idea so powerful is the scalability. Once you create something, like an ebook, an online course, or even graphic design templates, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without having to recreate it. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easy to set up and start selling. Here's an example. If you're good at budgeting, you can create a budgeting template in Excel or Google Sheets, sell it for $10, and if 1,000 people buy it throughout the year, that's $10,000 in passive income. Pro tip: focus on solving a specific problem for your audience. The more value your product provides, the easier it is to sell. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect if you have an audience or are willing to build one. It's simple. You promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's why it works. You don't need to create your own product. All you need is trust with your audience. For example, if you run a tech blog, you can recommend tools like hosting services, cameras, or software. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank make it easy to find products to promote. The secret to success? Don't sell. Instead, genuinely recommend products that you love and use. Your audience will sense authenticity, and that's what drives conversions. 3. Freelancing with a twist. Freelancing usually means trading your time for money. But what if you could turn freelancing into a passive income stream? Here's how. Once you've built a reputation and a steady client base, you can outsource the actual work to other freelancers. You essentially act as the middleman, managing the projects while someone else does the heavy lifting. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, you can take on large projects and subcontract parts of the work. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make finding reliable freelancers easy. Over time, you're earning money for organizing rather than executing. 4. Content creation. Content creation is booming. Whether it's a podcast, blog, or TikTok, once your content gains traction, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Content creation might not sound passive initially. Consistency is key here. But once you've built your library, it continues to work for you 24/7 sales cycle. It can generate income for years. Start with a niche you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, fitness, or finance. Focus on providing value to your audience. With platforms like YouTube, you can monetize once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With blogging can be monetized through Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. Here's the long-term potential. A single viral video or blog post can earn you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in ad revenue over its lifetime. 5. YouTube automation. Don't want to be on camera? YouTube automation might be your answer. This involves creating faceless YouTube channels where you outsource tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Think of channels that create top 10 lists, how-to videos, or niche explainers. Once your channel is monetized, you earn passive income through ad revenue. The initial setup requires investment, paying freelancers and managing uploads, but over time it becomes more passive as the content grows. For example, let's say you create a channel about travel destinations. You hire freelancers to produce the videos, and your job is simply to approve the content and manage uploads. 6. Website building. Websites are like digital real estate. Build a niche website, drive traffic through SEO, search engine optimization, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or even selling products. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Pick a niche with potential, maybe pet care, sustainable living, or tech reviews. 2. Create high-quality content targeting specific keywords. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate programs, or selling products. Once the website starts generating consistent traffic, it can bring in income for years. And if you decide to sell the website later, you could earn 20 to 30 times the monthly profit in one go. 7. Drop shipping. Drop shipping remains one of the hottest passive income trends. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, list products from a supplier, and when someone buys, the supplier handles shipping. You never hold inventory. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make starting a dropshipping business simple. The trick is choosing the right products. Find a niche with demand but limited competition. Here's a bonus tip. Focus on marketing. Your role is to drive traffic to your store through ads, influencers, or social media. Once you have a winning product, scale it to generate consistent income. 8. Drop servicing. Drop servicing is like drop shipping but with services instead of products. For example, you could offer website design services. You act as the middleman, outsource the work to skilled freelancers, and keep the profit margin. No skills required, just good management. The process: 1. Set up a professional-looking website offering services like logo design, video editing, or SEO. 2. Market your services to clients. 3. When a client places an order, hire a freelancer to do the work. Special tips: you can hire freelancers from third world countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. They can do your work at a low cost, allowing you to earn a big profit margin. Let's say you charge $500 for a website design, but pay a freelancer $200 to complete it. That's $300 profit for simply managing the project. If you convince them to work at an even lower cost, your profit margin will grow even larger. 9. Print on demand. Print on demand combines creativity with automation. You design custom graphics for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When someone orders, the company prints and ships the product. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle the back end, so you focus on designing and marketing. A single design that resonates with an audience can generate sales for years. 10. Investment. Finally, let's talk about investments. This is the most traditional form of passive income, but it's also one of the most reliable. Whether it's stocks, ETFs, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, the idea is simple. Your money works for you. For beginners, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or eToro make investing accessible. You can start with as little as $5 and gradually build your portfolio. If you're looking for stability, consider dividend-paying stocks or REITs, real estate investment trusts. Pro tip: automate your investments. Set up monthly contributions to your portfolio so you're consistently growing your wealth without thinking about it. There you have it, 10 passive income ideas that are not only growing but have the potential to transform your financial future in 2025. Whether you're a creative, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make extra money, there's an idea here for you. So, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways to grow your finances. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time, right now. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.